In the past year, something unusual has been happening. World leaders are visiting India more often than ever before. Global companies are investing billions, and countries that once ignored India are now forming strategic partnerships. From defense deals with France to global AI summits to rising geopolitical influence, the world is not just watching India anymore. It is turning towards India. But why now? What changed? And is India truly becoming a global power? Or is this just another moment in history? Let's break it down. Global power is shifting. For decades, the world focused mainly on the United States, Europe, and China. But today, another country is entering that conversation, India. With a population of over 1.4 billion people and a rapidly growing economy, India has become too important to ignore. Major nations now see India as a strategic partner, a manufacturing hub, and a technology powerhouse in the making. This is not a sudden change. It is the result of decades of growth, policy changes, and global events. India is now one of the fastest growing large economies in the world. Its digital economy is expanding rapidly, manufacturing is increasing, and global companies are shifting supply chains here. Why? Because the world is looking for alternatives. Rising costs and geopolitical tensions have forced companies to diversify beyond traditional manufacturing centers. India offers a young workforce, a huge domestic market, and improving infrastructure. From smartphones to semiconductors, global production networks are slowly expanding into India. The future of global power will not be decided only by armies. It will be decided by technology. Artificial intelligence, space exploration, and digital infrastructure are shaping the next era. India has positioned itself as a major tech hub. Its IT industry serves companies worldwide, startups are growing, and international tech partnerships are increasing. Recent AI discussions and global tech summits have placed India in an important position, not as the leader yet, but as a country that cannot be left out. Visual prompts, AI data visualization, coding screens, satellites orbiting Earth, startup offices, robotics lab. India's strategic importance goes beyond economics and technology. Its geographical location makes it a key player in global security. Situated between major regions and important trade routes, India plays a crucial role in maintaining balance. Over the past decades, India has invested heavily in defense. Indigenous missile programs, naval expansion, and advanced aircraft have strengthened its capabilities. This has changed how the world views India, not just as a buyer of weapons, but as a partner in defense production and innovation. Countries are now collaborating with India on joint development and strategic projects. India's relationships with global powers are evolving. Partnerships with European nations, growing ties with Indo-Pacific countries, and cooperation in technology and defense all point toward one trend. India is becoming central to global strategy. These partnerships are not just diplomatic, they involve trade, security, technology, and innovation. The world is recognizing that any future global balance will involve India, but rising influence brings challenges. Infrastructure needs improvement, economic competition is intense, and global tensions continue to evolve. Becoming a major global power is not just about growth, it requires stability, innovation, and long-term planning. India's journey is still unfolding. The world is turning towards India because India is becoming impossible to ignore. A growing economy, a strategic location, a rising technological presence. The coming decade may define India's position in global history. And whether this moment becomes a turning point depends on what happens next. If you enjoy understanding India's past, power, and future, subscribe to this channel. Here, we explore defense, science, culture, and geopolitics in a simple and engaging way because the story of India is still being written.